What are you gonna do with your life?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I was thinking about the field of manufacturing.
Hey Reagan, what's so cool about manufacturing? I don't know, let's go find out.
Collier is an archonic company. They are an architectural storefront manufacturing facility in Bloomsburg, PA. Collier builds entrances for the commercial industry. These include government buildings, stadiums, gas stations, and mall fronts.
Collier has a multi-step process. It starts with the extruding process. Then the aluminum goes to the hydraulic press. After that, it goes to the paint department. Next, it goes to P&D, where plastic is added to the aluminum. It then gets sent to packaging. Lastly, it gets sent to shipping.
I wonder what the day-to-day tasks of a manufacturer are.
My day goes from scheduling to making sure that the metal we're running is good, to making sure the orders we process on time, and then I supervise the 10 individuals that I have under me.
The most interesting thing about manufacturing is the different levels and different things that you can see being made. I always describe the extrusion department as almost like a Play-Doh fun factory. So there's really interesting things that you can see in a manufacturing environment that you don't get to see anywhere else.
Why is manufacturing so important?
Without manufacturing, you wouldn't have anything at home. I mean, manufacturing, without having people to produce the products, you wouldn't have a car, we wouldn't have anything in our home. So it's basically the ground basis of everything that we have.
Manufacturing is important because the world wouldn't go round without it. We wouldn't have anything without manufacturing.
What are some of the things that you love about your job at Collier?
I love my job because I actually get to look at something different every single day. Every job that we do has a uniqueness, a customness to it.
I love coming in and not having to do the same thing day after day. I love being able to teach and being able to transfer information amongst our internal Collier customers and our external Collier customers.
What do you do in your life?
Manufacturing!